In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Bolt.new chat history. Whether you want to tidy up old conversations, protect sensitive project info, or simply start fresh with a clean workspace. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly what to click and what to expect, so you don't accidentally remove the wrong thread. I'll also share a few practical tips along the way to make sure the process is smooth and intentional. First, open your browser and head to Bolt.new, the AI builder for websites, apps, and prototypes. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're signed in to the correct account or workspace where the conversation lives. If you use multiple profiles, double-check you're in the right place before moving on. Once you're in, you should see the main interface with your projects and tools. We're not changing any project settings today, we're just focusing on the chat area. Keep in mind that deleting a chat removes the conversation from your view and can't be undone, so it's a good idea to confirm you've selected the exact thread you intend to delete. Next, locate your chat history. In most layouts, you'll find it in a sidebar or panel that lists recent conversations, often organized by titles or timestamps. Scroll through the list until you find the conversation you want to remove. If you have lots of threads, take a moment to read the titles carefully so you don't mix them up. You can click the conversation to preview it if you need to double-check its contents. When you're sure it's the right one, hover your mouse over that chat entry to reveal its action icons. Look for the delete icon, usually shown as a small trash can or bin. Click that delete icon next to the specific chat you want to remove. Bolt.new will prompt you with a confirmation message to prevent accidental deletions. Read the prompt, and when you're confident you've targeted the correct conversation, click delete to confirm. The chat should disappear from your history immediately. If it doesn't refresh right away, give the page a quick reload. Remember, this action is permanent, so avoid rapid-fire clicking if you're working through a long list. Move slowly, confirm each choice, and repeat the same click and confirm process for any additional chats you want to remove. And that's it. Your Bolt.new chat history is now cleaned up, one conversation at a time. Keeping your workspace organized like this makes it easier to find what matters and helps protect information you no longer need to store. If you ever change your mind, consider archiving important notes elsewhere before deleting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your chats with confidence.